I charge. Not for me? Okay.
You don't need money, but it's not. It's 400-500 €.
And this is only
Steel. So, had to demonstrate the diesel heater. Oh, put it off now. A lot of wood is gone. The concrete mixer is gone, and I just made a deal with the guy who picked up the wood and the concrete mixer for our friend, that he will come and collect all the scrap metal. So that makes a lot of difference. Still some things to pack, but I sorted out the wood, I think. Only a little bit of plywood and things like that, which will be a bit bigger packages. So let's get on with that, and then we're slowly getting to to the end of this project, packing up. And then we're gonna see how the rest is gonna go. Into boxes.
Well, you've got a lot of boxes, a lot of good boxes.
Yeah, well, I bought the red ones on Amazon, so
This is a really good box.
Yeah, I've got 8 of those. These are from my old
Music. Yeah,
systems.
wow.
So I'm putting everything in those boxes as well, tools,
Yeah.
as far as it goes. Saw, of course, and I've got an extra blade with it, so
Oh, that's cool.
it's used blades, but still, you get an extra blade with it.
And is it easy to change the blades?
Yeah.
I don't have to do that special. When you
No,
change
you
the
don't
blade.
need special tools for it or anything. No.
That's cool.
So, see the button on?
Yeah. So this must be your one, is it? This one's Isabel's. That must be yours.
Yeah, but you can have that one because I don't need it anymore.
Oh my God, thank you very much.
And I thought, if I give you a chainsaw, better get that thing with it. Pay 450 euros for a chainsaw. Maybe 2 times,
Yeah.
but the weight is too much.
Yeah.
The car couldn't handle the weight.
At least it's all boxed up.
Because that's all,
easy enough.
underneath there is all empty, so it's only the top one. And then that will be full, because upstairs there are another 7 of these crates.
Yeah. Yeah, but at least they're easily stackable.
Yeah, but all the old wood is gone,
Yeah,
that's
wow.
collected. I sold the concrete mixer, that's
Wow.
gone too.
That's good.
So but now it's just doing that. But now you get all this miscellaneous boxes, because
Yeah.
you don't know, is it a tool, it belongs to this or to that. So,
You do well though. I think 'cause it's not easy. So
no, and I've sorted out all the hardwood that's all in boxes and wrapped together and things like that. So, yeah. And all the tools are in its more or less original boxes.
yeah. Good.
So, yeah. But, you know, it's getting, yeah.
Yeah.
At first I didn't have any clue what to do.
Yeah.
Now it's okay. You want a coffee?
Yeah, but only if you have time.
Yeah, I'll put it down here and I'll open the, you go to the gate.
Okay.
Then I'll go to the door. So, and another few items gone. That's Hillary, our garden lady, who did the garden a few times for us. And they needed a miter saw, and I've got 2. And in the new shop, it's all going to be smaller, so I'm not going to take 2 miter saws. So I sold one. And in the meantime, we don't need the big chainsaw anymore, so we made the deal, and she could have the chainsaw and some other tools that they can use for working in the garden, because we didn't want to do garden work anymore. So on with some more. Well, that was a week full of visitors who came to collect stuff. The studio is empty, almost. The big organ is gonna stay, and the rest is going to go to a storage at Friends. And the big PA system Was collected this week also by a good friend, Cesar, who is Portuguese but he's living in Spain, and he came to collect the big PA system. So that's gone, and now it's just getting a few pictures of the wall and well, maybe vacuum a bit, and then this place is empty. And it's now starting to load up the van and bring the first batch of crates and boxes to our temporary storage space. And then hopefully within a week or two we know the dates that we can move into the other house. It could be that we'll be homeless for like, I don't know, a month or 6 weeks. So we'll see what happens. But for now, that's the news from the Lonesome Hill. See you in the next video. Até logo. Lots of memories in this place.